Hi, it's Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over a brand new custom-built gaming machine that we have here. It's an Intel i9, newest one, 9900K. It's one of the fastest processors you can get right now. It's very, very good for gaming. It's got 16 gigs of RAM in there. It's got the 1TB NVMe drive, which actually allows for faster transfer and loading. So when you're going into your game and you want it to load quick, that's what you want, trust me on there. It's also got one of the top video game graphics cards in there. It's a 2080, 8GB DDR4 running real smooth on there. We got the Corsair liquid cooling on there as well. And if you have any questions as far as like gaming, or if you're looking for peripherals, we also have some good peripherals to go with it. We actually have some of the Razer mouses. We got some Logitech. We got some Corsair. We got all that good stuff here. So if you need any of that stuff, come visit us and we can help you out. If you have any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977. Thank you.